But 90% of the work now is to do with repair work. Gates that don't shut to regulations, areas that are higher than 100 millimetres or wider than 80 mil, that sort of stuff. So we're doing all those sorts of alterations to get them up to standard. Climbing areas where trees are growing too close to the fence now. There are set guidelines and regulations for where the lock is on the doors, and the door has to self-close. If it's a sliding screen door, you can usually get a pre-charged unit that you can fit to the doors which will shut them, but the locks and latches have to be above, and I can't remember whether it's 12 or 15, it might be 15 or 1800, so that children can't get up to and open them, but the doors got to be able to close. So it can't be an open door that's open to the pool, and because it's got the latch on it, it passes, it's got to be able to close it. The number of times we go into pool areas and the gates are all chocked open, and we take the stuff away that's chocking the gate open, because the person doesn't realise if they leave a gate open, there's a child in the house, they can just walk straight into the pool and drown themselves.